Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, today's demonstration we will see how to create a document type in webmethod.io. So as you already work on web method, okay. So in web method we have document reference option. Okay. So you just drag and drop and you can create a document manually as well. So in same webmethod.io we have option you can create a document type and let's suppose I have a multiple throw services, so don't no need to create a document type again and again. You can just particular document type invoke and you can use this particular service, you can complete your code. That is the first thing. So how you can create a document type in webmethod.io? So let me show you. Very first, click on configurations, click on flow service. Here document type option is available. Then click on add document type. Okay. So either you can create a from scratch या XML schema. So if you have XML schema, how you can do that? Just click on XML schema, click on OK. After that, you can give the name particular document type, then URL file. You can see here. If you fill all the things and then you can browse the file and then click on next. So that is the one way. Either you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to create a manually from scratch, then click on that but first option, click on OK. After that, you can give your name as a book details. Okay. Then click on plus icon. Here you can give the name as a catalog. String you can convert as a document. Again click on plus. Here you can give the name as a book ID, otherwise only ID. Again plus author. Okay. Then again click on plus. Here you can give the name as a title and then click on save. So if you don't want to select a required field, optional field, you can check all the fields here. Okay, as per the requirement, you can change, no problem. Then click on save. So let's suppose I have created one book details document type and I want to use this book detail document type in my particular flow service. How you can do that? Just click on flow service, click on integration flow service, click on plus icon. Okay. Give the name as a debug log. Debug log details. Okay. So in web method we have a debug log, but in webmethod.io we have for debug log purpose we have a log custom message. So let me show you the particular service. For error handling we use the try block, try catch, and the log custom message. Okay, this type log the automatically particular inbuilt service will see here. Okay, then I want to invoke this particular document reference here. So click on document reference. Here you can see book details document reference is available. Then click on done. And after that I want to map title to message. Okay. And then click on save. So this is the basic way. Whatever document type you created out of the service, like this service, like this document is not part of our input output, but we have created this document type in this configuration and I want to invoke this particular document in my flow service, so that way you can do that. Another way, if you created your connectors and in connector if you want to invoke this particular document type, that way you can also do that. So basically in configuration flow service, if you want to invoke any kind of document, let's suppose I have created a catalog employee document. Okay, and I want to use this same document in my uh, like whatever service I created. This is debug log my service. I want to invoke this particular service here, I can do that. And let me show you the result. So I need to complete my code, so give the cache block we have a get last error. And you can see here the mapping, this is the implicit mapping. Okay, now I want to save this particular flow, then click on run. Here you can maximize this. I only perform mapping for only one field, so you can give the particular field name like story as well. Okay, story type. then click on run option. So here you can see the output in front of you. So that way, whatever document type you're creating and those particular document reference if you want to use in your flow service. So this is the basic concept I'll explain you. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a fun.